What's the meaning of center-left? Center-left. Center-left.
Center-left. Center-left. Center-left is a political term that describes a position between the center and the left of the political spectrum. It typically includes policies that promote social justice and equality, investment in public services, and some level of government intervention in the economy. Center-left parties tend to prioritize issues such as healthcare, education, and environmental protection while also supporting measures to ensure a fair distribution of wealth and access to opportunities. They are often seen as more moderate than left-wing parties, but still committed to promoting progressive values and reforms for the benefit of society as a whole.